freedom. You don't have to do it, but watch out for the rules. Let's go! It's Saturday morning, no school today. You don't have to get up, you can stay and play. You don't have to wear a suit, you can wear jeans. Living the life of teenage dreams. We don't have to hurry, we have lots of time. Making a song with a crazy rhyme. You don't have to. It's not necessary, but you mustn't. It's prohibited, scary. You don't have to pay, the entrance is free, but you mustn't touch the electricity. One is a choice, the other is a law. The sharpest difference that you ever saw. You don't have to eat it if you don't like the taste, but you mustn't throw plastic in the waste. You don't have to answer the phone right now, but you mustn't steal the farmer's cow. She doesn't have to work, she's rich and cool, but she mustn't run around the swimming pool. You don't have to. It's not necessary, but you mustn't. It's prohibited, scary. You don't have to pay, the entrance is free, but you mustn't touch the electricity. One is a choice, the other is a law. The sharpest difference that you ever saw. Don't have to means you can if you want. Mustn't means don't do it. I don't have to run, but I mustn't fail. I don't have to listen to you, but I want to. You mustn't stop, don't have to stop, just go!